Namaskar. Today we will discuss about membrane filtration technique in water sample. Water acts as a very good source for the rapid spread of microorganisms like E. coli, Salmonella, Pseudomonas, etc. That's why it is important to know the drinking water quality, and membrane filtration method is the widely used technique to enumerate the bacteria in the drinking water. Membrane filtration technique in water sample. In this technique, a specific bacteria or a group of bacteria can be enumerated. Only thing is to change the different types of media for different types of bacteria. Filter paper will be remain same. Example, for enumeration of E. coli and coliform bacteria, the media is CCA agar. For Salmonella species, XLD agar. For total plate count, TSA agar. For Staphylococcus aureus, MSA agar. For Pseudomonas species, cetrimide agar. And all the time the filter paper is 45 micron 47 mm. Today we will enumerate E. coli and coliform in water sample. So first, what are the requirements for this test? Balance, sterile Petri plates, biosafety cabinet, sterile forceps, membrane filtration unit and membrane filter, incubator, sterile measuring cylinder, autoclave and microwave oven. For this method, these are the following steps: media preparation, sterilization, filtration, incubation, and last one is result. The first one is media preparation. 3.092 gram CCA agar has to be dissolved in 100 ml distilled water and it will be boiled at 100 degrees Celsius in microwave oven. Second step is sterilization. Media which was prepared, that has to be sterilized in autoclave. Along with this, the glassware or the apparatus which are used, that has to be sterilized. This is the lower part or flask. It has to be covered in aluminum foil like this and has to be sterilized. After sterilizations, this is the lower part flask, this is the middle part, it has to be set like this, then this is the upper part. The membrane filter has to be set at the middle of the middle part and the upper part has to be fixed. Upper part funnel has to be fixed. Then a clamp should be given to hold all these things. Now the water sample which has to be filtered, we will take 100 ml water sample. This is the sterile measuring cylinder. Then this assembly is connected with the vacuum pump. The vacuum pump is switched on. Then the water sample is poured at the middle of the filter paper from the upper funnel. After filtration is over, the vacuum pump is switched off. The clamp is removed. This funnel is removed. Then the filter paper is transferred to the chromogenic agar plate, and the upper part of the filter paper should be upside. Then the CCA agar plate is transferred to the incubator and the plate should be kept upside, means it should not be inverted, and the temperature is set at 35 degrees Celsius and the incubation time is 24 plus minus 2 hours. After incubation of the CCA agar, on that plate blue and pink colonies will be developed. Blue colonies means these are the E. coli and pink colonies means these are other coliform bacteria. So for total coliform bacteria count, we have to make sum of total blue colonies and pink colonies. Suppose blue colonies are 42 and pink colonies are 74. Then total coliform count will be 42 plus 74 equal to 116 CFU per 100 ml. Why 100 ml? Because how many ml of sample we have taken? 100 ml of water sample we have taken. And total E. coli count will be 42 CFU per 100 ml.